Let's take a look at this example. Again, I'm going to use the formula for the derivative of a constant times a power of x. So I have dy over dx is equal the derivative of 5x to power 7 over 5 over dx. This is equal, according to the formula, I'm supposed to copy down first the constant. So I have 5 times n. N is the exponent, right? So I have 7 over 5 x. And I have n minus 1, exponent minus 1. My exponent is 7 over 5. Because this is fraction, I'm supposed to look at the denominator. Denominator is 5. That's why I'm going to write 5 over 5, because 5 over 5 is equal 1. The formula says exponent minus 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. I'm using 5 because I'm dealing with fraction, and in order to subtract fractions, I have to have the common denominator. So I have 5 and 5 will cancel out, and I have 7x. 7 minus 5 is equal 2 over 5. Okay, someone can say that this is the answer, of course, this could be answer, or you can simply write that this is 7 fifth root of x to the second power. Okay, so this is the solution to my problem.